Hello, friend. How are you? I hope you are all doing well. Friend, you know very well about me that I am living in Kuwait and I am trainer of the pigeon. Today I thought, why not I show, you know, where am I living? So, I'm going to show, in this place where I'm living. So, friend, you say it is totally desert area. It is totally desert area, and you must have you must be looking you can just sand. There are lots of sand because it is totally desert area, and there are no tree over there. There is no tree. You can say there is no tree over there, and you can see here is a place where I train the pigeon, and this is my place where am I living. You can see this is my cooler room, and it called Arabic language Jakor, you can say place. And this is, you can say this is a pigeon farm. This is my pigeon farm, and you can say my pigeon are flying automatically. I didn't go get there. After that they are flying automatically. They are happy because it was you can say evening time. It was 5:30, and see, I can say weather is so fantastic. It is not hot now. It is getting dark slowly, and there is a one thing here, friend. There are lots of crude oil here, like diesel, petrol, soil oil, lots of. That's why Kuwait, Kuwait is a rich country. There is a main purpose. If I say about Kuwait, so Kuwait currency is dinar, and dinar is a very valuable in the, you can say, in the you can say in the entire world, of the entire world. And Kuwaiti people are so good because where am I working? So he's taking, he take care me properly, and I am, you can say, I am being provided, everything, and I am so happy because I am living in Kuwait. So uh, because when I was in India, so I was not able to earn money lots of, and when I came Kuwait, so I started earning money well. So earlier I was so happy starting time, and nowadays I am so happy. So friend, you can see, and you can, I wanna show how am I speaking English, bro. Lots of people, they are trying to learning this language. They are trying to learn this language. They, lots of people, they excuses like, I don't have environment. How can I learn English? How am I learning English? How can I learn English? They are excuses. Because you can see, if I see my level, I'm living totally desert area, and I did not have environment when I started learning English, and still I don't have environment. But anyhow, then somehow I learned English language, and I'm speaking English in front of you. You can see. Okay, so how am I speaking English? Because of hard work. Okay, so I'm going to tell you now how did I learn English, bro. First of all, when I wanted to learn English, so I was not aware of grammar. You can say I didn't know a single grammar. What is the present tense, what is the future tense, what is the past tense, what is the conditional, modal, causative, anything, part participle, present participle, anything I did not know. The first of all, what did I do? I'm going to tell you. First of all, I purchased one grammar book, Oxford grammar book, and first of all I learned grammar. Okay, and I tried to speak Highborough and as fluency whatever I knew that time. Still I will remember when I called first time Highborough, so I was not able to speak a single word, but I didn't leave. Okay, but I thought one day I will speak English very fluency, and I kept on practicing. And even you can say I do practice every day because I have lots of friends, so I do practice with my friend every day. I don't leave a single day. Okay, so I practice every day, and because of practice I'm speaking in front of you, so you can judge myself, you can judge my English, how am I speaking English, my English good or not. Please, if I made mistake in this video, then definitely you you should comment and you please tell me. And if you want to learn English, then please you follow my rule. First of all, you learnt grammar. Okay, after that you try to speak. There are lots of people over there, we can say on Hescapi, on the we can say Highborough and as fluency, Josh talk, CB talk, open talk, and nowadays it is it is quite it is not difficult anything. If you want to learn English, then you can learn English very very easily. There are lots of conversation video on the YouTube. There are lots of video, cartoon video in how to read newspaper. Lots of things are available on the YouTube. Okay, if you want to learn, then you can learn very easily. There is no doubt. I can say one thing here: everyone can speak English and everyone can learn this language. There is no doubt. Okay, but you don't try to excuse, no, I don't have environment, I am not able to speak, I am not able to learn. You can learn. If I can learn English, if I can speak English, you can also learn English, you can also speak this language. You can do anything in your life. Okay, you try to motivate yourself. Okay, so friend, it is evening time, so I'm going to stop my